In this tutorial, you will learn how to use Comparative Search with FileZilla and FileZilla Pro. While we use FTP, the instructions work also with all the other supported protocols. To learn how to configure connections with other protocols, watch the other tutorials you find in the video description. Launch FileZilla or FileZilla Pro. Select the connection you want to use. Wait until the connection is completed. Open the Search dialog to search your files, either locally or remotely. FileZilla searches under the current selected directory and its subdirectories. Choose how to apply the search conditions. Search conditions allow you to locate files that meet specified criteria for file name, size, path, and last modification date. FileZilla allows you to combine several search conditions. Use the conditions to narrow your search. FileZilla searches files and directories. Here we are only interested on searching for files. Click Search to start the search. FileZilla will run the search and show the results. Once you find the desired file, you can download it or do what you need to. FileZilla can recreate the directory structure if you want, or simply transfer the files to the target directory. There is an option to start the download immediately or to add the files to the queue to have them transferred later. You can also search within the current directory by typing the file name. As you type, FileZilla selects the first file starting with the typed letters. Type the letter B, now type the letter R. FileZilla first selects the file starting with B, and then the first file starting with BR. This type of search is applied within the current listed files. If you just want to find files with a given name, open the Quick Search box, pressing Ctrl F. If you are on Mac, press Command F instead. Enter the text you want to search. FileZilla will show only the files containing the search text. Use Quick Search options to modify the way FileZilla does the search. For example, you can invert the search. The result will hide all the files containing the search text. Launch FileZilla or FileZilla Pro. With Comparative Search, you can recursively search in both local and remote sides, and additionally compare the results. Open the Search dialog box. Comparative is a new option in the search dialog. Enter both the local and the remote directories. You can set the search conditions. Each rule can be based on file name, file size, path, or date. You can run a case-insensitive or case-sensitive search by selecting this option. And if you want to search only files or only directories, select Search to start the search and comparison. If no criteria is entered, all files are returned. The comparison is based on file sizes, but you can change to compare based on file modification time. You can filter the list to show only files that exist either on the local or on the remote directories, but not on both. Scrolling one list makes the other list scroll too. In the local file list, you can upload, open, show, or delete a file, while in the right side you can download, view, or edit, delete, or copy the file URL. In this video, you learned how to use Comparative Search with FileZilla and FileZilla Pro. FileZilla Pro is fast and reliable. Plus, it supports a variety of other cloud protocols: Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, Amazon EC2, Backblaze B2, WebDAV, and SharePoint. Are your website files ready to go? Time to get your copy of FileZilla Pro. Go to FileZillaPro.com and buy it with confidence. See you at the next video of the FileZilla Pro series.